Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Bitcoin. So starting here on the 1 minute, had a nice bounce. Um, excuse me. Allergy season starting to kick my butt. Nice bounce, hit 59, I believe. Let's see here. Yeah, 59 on the dot. Old value area range low, the previous one. I'll zoom out in a second and show you. Nice scalping opportunities. Curious to know if we come back down and revisit the 61K level. If we bounce here and move up tonight, will be depending upon Asia. Altcoins aren't waiting. Stuff like Fetch AI is already running back up again. So a lot of that stuff predicates on Bitcoin. So for those of you that are new to crypto, this is 100% normal. This is what you'd expect. You don't expect to go to an all-time high, a new all-time high, and not have a rejection. So that's what I talked about earlier. It's literally an SFP of the high. You hit the high and you came back down. So totally expected. We also came down and cleared a bunch of liquidity that was built up on stop losses and liquidations. So you had a cascading effect. Still have a nice curvature, or I should say thickness on the money flow. It really hasn't slowed down too much. On the hourly, it's still pretty thick. People came back in and defended the level pretty well. We did have a bearish, no, we haven't. So we're still okay. You have what this is called chickens drinking water, which is more of a liquidity grab. So it's kind of give it another hour to 6 hours to see where we really go. Asia will pick that up tonight. And then we'll move into the 2 hours before London handoff, basically, with Asia. And then that makes it dictates tomorrow with the ETFs in the U.S. markets. We had a bunch of profit taking. So I think those who wanted to take a bunch of profit did. And those like myself that are smaller went ahead and bought the dip on our certain coins. So I bought more Fetch AI and I bought more AVAX this afternoon. So that is really about it. So nothing. This is expected. Totally. This isn't anything unusual. This is what everyone should be expecting. I am expecting some lower targets. If you drew some fibs in here, from here to here, just deleted them for time's sake here, or for showing you different stuff. Typically, a pullback in a hold of like 62,387 is a nice bullish bounce, but anything above the 618, so could come down and be aggressive and take out the stop losses hiding out under these wicks and then move higher. But I'm waiting to see if we get a bounce here. 24 minutes saying we're going to actually continue our down slide. It would make more sense to come back down and take out the liquidity hiding underneath this wick here at 62,533. And the big line in the sand is up here at, let me draw a line for you, 65.5 ish. That is your support resistance flip. That's also, like, I think, the weekly level to keep an eye on. So we need to get ourselves back above that. We make sure we also come here and don't reject. So let's also pull this top to bottom. So we are getting a nice bounce. So I'm going to flip this around. Let's do it this way. Yeah, getting a rejection off the 618, you want to be careful. You want to at least bounce somewhere in this neighborhood around the 786, which is coming in at the 63,092 mark. So pay attention. We could have a bunch of sideways consolidation, and we could have sideways for a week or weeks, really, leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Today is the 5th, so you're looking literally about, what, a little over a month away. It's kind of where the Bitcoin halving is projected to be. So there's not much to say other than observe. Buy the dip if you can. A lot of the altcoins are starting to run. As long as Bitcoin's stable, altcoins will be the play. So nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Discord, Blockguard Discord. Thanks, guys.